Hello, what is your name?
My name is Emma Orilio.
How old are you?
I'm 42 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
2, ma'am.
Okay. How old are they?
8 years old and 11.
Okay. So how long you been working in Hong Kong?
10 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. 4 years.
Okay. So where?
In Saudi, 2 years, and Kuwait, 2 years.
Okay. So how long you been working with your current employer?
10 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Chukingling, Metro Town.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
780 square feet.
How many family member there?
3, ma'am.
How many children?
Only 1.
How old?
1 year old and 2 months.
Okay. So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 2 o'clock in the morning. I make the milk for the baby, and after drink the milk for the baby, I sleep again, and then 6 o'clock in the morning or 7, I wake up to make the milk again. After drinking the milk, make solid food for the baby and give the food, and after eating the food, go in the playroom.
Okay. So how about cooking? Do you go market?
Yes.
Okay. So what time you cook for the dinner?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. So what time they eat?
8 o'clock mostly.
8 o'clock. Okay. So what time you go to bed?
Sometimes I go to the bed 11 or 12 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you so much.